camera's on. Not necessarily. And then he left when you pulled up?
Pulled up behind me. That's owner Dave can't be permission to drive the car.
Does she have a good driver's license?
Pardon me?
Does she have a good driver's license? Anthony, Officer Bodie. Good. You're being audio and visually recorded. You know you got a suspended driver's license, right?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Okay. Well, you do.
I've never had one.
Okay. Do you have a good driver's license, ma'am? You don't? You're suspended too? Alright. Well, we might have to tow it then. She says she's suspended too. No ID on her, so.
No ID?
Well, not that she would give up.
Yeah, I don't know if he's here to buy drugs. I mean, I've been in his house before, in the hoarder house.
Gallo. Oh, so he was sitting right here.
He was sitting, yeah. But across the street, facing the wrong way, with the car not running, and way out in the street. Way out in the street, facing the wrong way. So I'll write him for that, too. What's my NBOL? I gotta start writing tickets again. Thank you. Got ID. $550 infraction. 46.25.
Well, just.
What? I have to put it on this because it's an infraction.
But are you doing them for being suspended or being no-ball?
NBOL. He's not actually suspended. He's ID only.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and so then I'll put it on there, parked on the wrong side of the street, which is my stop, which buys me the million.
Make a suggestion?
Yeah.
Instead of doing them for that, because that's a parking infraction, do them for...
Tell me.
Victor 20, logging off.
I think it's in here.
Victor 20,
yeah, do them for impeding traffic. Because that's an actual infraction as opposed to a traffic ticket.
Okay.
Because that's what he was doing, right? He said he's parked 2 feet into the roadway.
Well, and I had a vehicle come up in the wrong right lane of traffic, and she had to stop.
And he couldn't get around, so yeah, he's impeding traffic.
What's going on? Damn it, I lost my pen. So tell me that. RCW.
46, 61, 425. That's 124.
Okay. And then the NVOL. It's alright, Tom, you don't have to get it.
NVOL
is
4620 015 550.
550.
Imagine he doesn't have insurance.
I know, and so here's the thing, it goes back and forth, whether you can write them for it. If you're NVOL, how can you have insurance?
He does have insurance card?
No, he doesn't. I didn't ask him for it. I asked him for everything. There's no registration in the car. There's nothing. And the person who he's buying it from, Kim, is not the registered owner.
Well, what would you be going back and forth for? Either he's got insurance on the car or he doesn't.
Were you asking for me?
Yeah.
He doesn't? No.
So this is your car, or you're buying it?
I'm in the middle of buying it.
You're in the middle of buying it from From Kim.
Yeah.
So does Kim have insurance on the car, or do you have the insurance on the car?
I believe she has the insurance.
Okay. Where's the card at?
I don't have her card or number. I have her phone number.
Okay.
The lady asked for.
So you don't have.
But I just got this.
Okay. But there's no paperwork in the glove box or anything from Kim.
I was just making routes. I was just going to take it for a bit after I had my mechanic to look at it.
Oh, this your mechanic here? Alright. Okay.
What?
Yeah, he doesn't have anything on it, so do him for the insurance too.
I will. Which is $5.50.
Yeah.
That's a nice ticket cut. So
46
yeah.
30020. Liability insurance required. And then that's one of those, if he does have it later, he can always take the car, because he has to have proof of it on site,
Right.
ready for. And that's the three things that he has to have by law and surrender to any law enforcement officer at request.
Got it.
Driver's license, registration, proof of registration, and proof of insurance. Technically, you could write him for failing to have the
Not having the title or the registration in the car.
yeah.
I know, and I'm not gonna.
Fail to sign, carry, display, or vehicle registration, $124.
Yeah, I'll tell him that's.
Or operate, possess a vehicle without registration is $124. Either way.
Well, I'll tell him why I'm being so nice today. Did I tell you that I put my dog to sleep on Saturday?
Yeah, it's
I'm
horrible.
not freaking happy. Lincoln.
I want to put my dog to sleep every other day.
Why?
Oh, she tears up everything.
Is she a puppy?
9 months now.
Oh, she's still a puppy. I know, shoes and stuff, they're expensive, aren't they?
She's torn up a spot on the carpet. She chewed up the leg on my couch. Yeah, go ahead. She's tore up every toy she has. Torn up her bed. We buy her the tough ones that are supposed to be for like Rottweilers.
Yeah.
She'll have them done in a day.
Will she really?
Yeah.
That's my Eddie. He can
Little
do that
miniature.
too. Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Serious?
12 pounds.
In the state of Washington, to get behind the wheel of a car, you have to have a driver's license. That's one of the big things, okay? So here's what I wrote you for. NDOL, no valid operator license on person, no insurance, $550. I'm hoping to initiate a little fire underneath you, okay? Okay, and then impeding traffic, because you're parked on the wrong side of the street. And if you had a driver's license,